Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the Hunter channel. Please subscribe my channel for new and best strategies and tricks. Okay guys, uh, today I am going to show you my 5-second strategy. It's for the pocket option. Okay guys, if you new on pocket option, kindly join the pocket option via the my link, which is available in the description. Okay guys, uh, I am using the 5-second strategy on 30-second candlestick chart. Okay, and I am putting the indicator, which is moving average, and with the help of MACD. Okay, moving average is I am using for the 30 SMA, and style using which color do you want. I'm using the default color for 2px, and MACD is the default setting. Okay guys, in this strategy you have to find the a trend. Okay guys, a trend like this, a downtrend or uptrend you have to find. Okay guys, this is the trick. It's this trick is so uh, difficult. You have to first practice on demo account, and it's a very risky, but you have to catch, you have to win 100%. Okay guys, I'll show you how to catch and what is the trick. Okay, I am choosing the highest pairs. Okay, now I'm finding the moment for the trick. See, this is the just 5-second trick. See, you have to find the trend, okay, which is uptrend or lower trend, but I use and I have too much practice, and I am very successful on the downtrend. Okay, because it's the fallen down, it's huge. Okay, it's a very power of the falling down, and in the December and January. Okay guys, you have to avoid and you have to don't take the trade 3 minutes 5 minutes. You can't take, because in this December and January you very the market is very fluctuating, and you can't capture in your minutes strategy. So that's why this is the backup plan for the this strategy. Okay guys, for the market when the unstable, you have to catch your moment in your 5 second 7 second 10 second. I am uploaded already the videos of 10 seconds 7 seconds on my YouTube channel, so you can watch this. Which strategy suits you, you can catch. So there is the jump and it's filling, so you have to catch this moment. Okay guys, you have to catch this moment, and it's a 100% winning area when you found the downtrend. Okay, MACD showing to the downtrend. Okay, like this, and if found a jump, you take the trade for lower. Okay guys, it's 100% winning area if you found the jump. Okay guys, and you have to jump in your area. You have to wait. It's a long time for this trend and jump. see, there is jump, I catch the moment. There is a jump, again jump. It's first jump here and second jump here. I catch the moment. It's 100%. If you can catch the moment, you can win. Okay, 100%. If you have to catch the moment, okay, of the jump. It's waiting for a long time for the jumps. If you found, you catch, you can catch in 5 seconds. There is a uh, offering the prayer, so I am pause, and first I pray for to God, then I will continue to recording. Okay guys, let's continue guys. Thank you for waiting. It's making these like these candles, and it closes the above of the previous candle, and green and blue candle I'm using the color blue, but you have the color is a green, so it's closing the green, and it makes some yellow candle, and I took the trade for above. Some people asking me to how to find the market is stable or not stable, and this, if it's showing like this is the market is unstable, so avoid to trade on this, like this chart. Okay guys, find the stable chart. This is the stable, but it's make a huge green blue candle, so it's showing to 30 SMA. It's changing the trend, so let's see if it's a cross and make the above or not. Okay, it's the now it's the up, it's the cross each other and it's going up, so I wait for this candle to close. Okay, because I want to close the above of this area, previous of this candle above, so that's why it's make some yellow, then I took the trade here for above. It's a downtrend, and it's make some blue, and that's why I took the trade here for lower, because it's a downturn. So you have to guys practice on the demo account first, and you have to read the candles. Okay, you have to you should read the candles, because in seconds you should command on the candles, the how is the candles running, making, and which color it's now making, and next one is where it's making, because you have to catch your moment in 5, in just 5 seconds. Okay guys, so you have to read the candles. You should able to read candles, then switch to seconds strategy. Okay, in seconds, trading in seconds. Okay, you have to first read the candles. So I think it's enough for today, so like my video and subscribe my channel, and see you until the next video.